Watcha, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ian, this is the Essential Handyman. Regular viewers will know that my channel is not just about handyman hacks and tool reviews and collecting tools, etc., car boot sales. I also have a selection of videos where I just take people through things to do around the house, you know, life hacks, as it were. One of those I'm going to show you today happened to me yesterday. I was washing my daughter's bikini, and this is the bit that goes around the neck, and the bit that goes around the waist came out. You know, washing machines do what they do, don't they? They either nick a sock or they do something to annoy you, make your day worse. So this is basically pulled out of there. I need to thread this through. And I started doing it actually, but I thought to myself, this is probably a good topic for a video, because there's bound to be people out there that don't know how to do this. So let me show you. There's two ways of doing this. So you need to fix it. You need to get a drawstring back. First option, get yourself a safety pin. You want to get one as big as possible so it's easier to handle, but you want to make sure that it's not too big that it won't go through the hole. And the second option is to get yourself one of these. This is called I think it's called a threader's needle or a knitter's needle. Not a knitting needle, but a knitter's needle. And again, these are fairly inexpensive, just a few quid. I will put link to these, an Amazon affiliate link to these down below in the description. And if you buy one off of Amazon, I'll get a few pennies that go into my Amazon account, so they help the account out, help the channel out. Thank you very much. While we're talking about Amazon links, as always, if you click on an Amazon link and there's a dead link, it says that link is no longer available or whatever, leave a note down in the comments and say the Amazon link's not working, and I'll give you a new link and I'll find it for you. Right, let me show you how to rethread this drawstring. Okay, technique number one. This is applicable whether or not you are doing drawstrings for tracksuit bottoms, shorts, hoodies, bikinis, anything like this. Stick it in the hole, push it all the way down, grab hold of the end and pull it. Keep going, just pull it a little bit. Sometimes with not drawing pins, safety pins, it can get caught. So just keep pushing up a little bit at a time. There's no rush for this. Push it up, pull down, push it up. It'll come out the end, and then you just pull it through. And that's the first one. The second technique, this is my preferred one, it's just so much easier. Get one of these needles, stick it through the eyelet, simple little loop. Get the other one you need to do it on, stick that in the hole, and again it's got a bit of a bigger it's got a big knot on there, so the first bit takes a little bit more work to pull it through. That's it. But when it's in, it's so much easier. And if you're doing a hoodie or a waistband, it'll make a lot of difference. This is only a bikini top, so it doesn't take a lot of effort. But if you've got, you know, big fat waist like mine, 34 inches, that will save you minutes and minutes and minutes. That's option number two. Of course, if you don't want this to happen when you're doing the washing in the first place, grab your safety pin, put it through one of the drawstrings, grab the other drawstring, put it through there, and just tie it up, and that will stop it coming out. The other option, and my preferred choice, which I didn't do the other day, is just to get yourself drawstrings, hold them both together, tie them round, just a quick little knot in there, nice and loose. It'll be a figure of 8 shape, and that will stop it coming out when you wash. Thank you very much for joining me today and allowing me to show you another life hack. If you've not already subscribed, please do so. I'll see you on the next video. See ya.